YouTube video SEO is the practice of optimizing your videos to rank higher in YouTube search results and increase visibility to your target audience. If you are looking to grow your YouTube channel, then you have come to the right place. Hey, this is Sajib. I am a Google certified digital marketing strategist and SEO consultant. I will optimize the best SEO for your YouTube channel and video services to help you get more exposure and views. My services included SEO-friendly best title, strong strategic description, choosing the high-rank video tags, top-ranking channel tags, improve SEO score by vidIQ or TubeBuddy, keywords hashtags research, whitehat s.e.o method, adding cards, end screens. Why you choose me? 100% real and organic. Natural engagement. 24/7 hours support. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Let's grow together. Thank you.